Hi, Harry Lightfoot here from Berthon, and today we are doing a video tour on this very nice Southerly 48 IZANA. Hi and welcome aboard this absolutely stunning Southerly 480 from 2018 IZANA. She has had one owner since new and been very lightly used, but at the time of build, the owner made sure to have a comprehensive spec, including lots of bluewater features and custom updates. As we just step along the passerelle, she has a really nice AB rig and the davits with ribbon outboard. As we step on board, it gives you the first look of this nicely sheltered cockpit. But as we will start making our way forward, you've got the distinctive Southerly 480 lines from the windows, that teardrop just at the back, as you will really get the benefit as we step down below later on. As we're making our way further forward, she has a total of 6 solar panels with a few more in the bimini, as well as looking at the rig, electric in-mast furling. These boats are extremely easy to sail, all lines lead into the cockpit, as well as electric winches and the self-tacking jib. Just up on the bow you've got your Solent rig, so the big nice large genoa, as well as the self-tacking jib as just mentioned. And on the spit there, she's got 2 downwind sails, and these can both be stored in this really nice large sail locker, as well as access to your anchor in the bow. 2 dolphin watching seats that fold down. As you have a look at that deck, it's really nice seating, especially good for when the sun is out like it is today on today's video. Looking down, as you can imagine, with all those windows and amount of natural light that you get down below makes the real benefit. It does not give any claustrophobic feeling. Making our way back, twin whisker poles, which makes it excellent for going downwind when you get them out on goose winged for long passengers, as well as the lift keel, of course. With that lift keel, if you wanted to put it up even halfway, going downwind like you might in a dinghy, can potentially add a difference in speed. Just as we have a look with that bow seating, the really nice solar panels, again lots of windows up onto that arch. It's a German rig system, again really easy to handle. The arch also acts as a good base to connect the bimini and the spray hood to, giving a really nice full cockpit enclosure if needed, as well as a really safe place to be at any time. Just as we step past the bimini back into the aft, so having a look at that AB dinghy again. The G&T seats at the back are a really nice place to sit while sailing. And another big benefit as well of the Southerly 480 is this really nice big large sail locker that you have in the aft. This can really fit all your toys, gear, spares, anything that might be needed, as well as you have access to your electric swim platform, which comes down as well, which adds a nice feature. So as we step into the cockpit, you've got your twin wheels set up. Here on the port side is your main helm station. You've got your Southerly lifting keel, so she can go up to around about 1 metre to well over sort of 11 feet in total when the keel is fully down. Nice B&G unit. This cockpit is a really safe place to be. Nice visibility, ease comfortably sit 6 for dinner, as well as a nice, dry, comfortable place, as you can imagine, sitting in there as you're sailing along. As we just start making our way down below, this boat is equipped with full B&G nav equipment, as well as your internet and all safety VHF. As we come down below, you can really appreciate those big windows that you've seen on deck. the amount of natural light that is coming into the boat and all the deck hatches. No feeling of claustrophobic anywhere. And as we make our way forward, the owner spec'd really nice wood choices. You've got the lights and the darks. Wood and carpentry detail is second to none. As we make our way into the bow, this is the really special feature. So she's a 2-cabin layout. As you can see, this forward cabin is the owner's cabin. Gives a really, really nice, spacious, light space, as well as a nice desk area to work on and plenty of storage, as you can imagine. You've got your hanging space, drawers, a seat that is fitted, as well as your vertical windows. Handy features including a vanity mirror. Again, everything has been thought about with this boat. And just on the starboard side, you have your forward master head, walk-in shower and electric loo. Again, really good space for the size of the boat. Excellent headroom. Just having a look at that beautiful carpentry. As we make our way back into that raised saloon, which is famous with all Southerlys. Because of that swing keel, you can access many areas that boats of this size could not. At the build, this owner decided to have this extra fridge spec'd for the important drinks, as well as a bar above and extra stowage. Making your way around, looking at the saloon seating, so you can comfortably sit. Plenty of people for a dinner party, but when not in use, can turn into a coffee table, as well as drop down to form a berth. As mentioned, she has an excellent bluewater spec, including the watermaker generator with the solar panels. With that raised chart table as well. Just under here, you've got a really handy washing machine. On the port side, this galley is a really good place to be. Easily hand drinks up into the cockpit when needed, as well as brace yourself. So she has the 2 fridges, plus freezer and a cool box. Of course, then you've got your microwave and twin sinks. But in this space, you always feel part of the saloon, and those that are having dinner, you don't feel disconnected. Looking into the aft heads and day head, a clever feature here is your oilies can be placed into here, so you get undressed in the shower if they're all wet. These little touches that these Southerlys have, which is fantastic. And making our way into the aft cabin, again a really nice place to be. This could also be your master, with those triple vertical windows, letting in lots of natural light, good seating, and again, as you can imagine, lots and lots of storage. And especially with all the choices from the woods and the cushions, has been really well thought about. I think it's made this boat extremely smart. Just looking into the aft head, so access as day head as well. As we make our way back into the saloon, IZANA really is a special yacht. She is ready to set sail with a full spec, anything you could want with the boat. And it's the perfect to set sail today. Looking around those really lovely big windows. We have one final look at the galley, background on the saloon on Southerly 480 IZANA.